Unlock seamless transactions with the power of a PayPal debit card. Welcome to this explainer. If you're a focused learner looking to totally streamline your finances, well, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're breaking down literally everything you need to know about getting your hands on this card and leveraging your balances, all without waiting around for those excruciatingly slow bank transfers. Here's your ultimate guide to making that seamless transaction power of reality, effortlessly. We're going to pack this with practical, step-by-step value so you know exactly how to execute this, even if you're a total beginner to the platform. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. 1. Meet your PayPal card. 2. Before you apply. 3. Ordering and activation steps. 4. Maximizing your card. And finally, 5. Pro tips and troubleshooting. Section 1. Meet your PayPal card. Fast access to your balance. So what exactly is it? Essentially, the PayPal debit card is a card that taps directly into your available PayPal balance. We're talking your sales, cashback, or even business loans, giving you immediate spending power. And here's the absolute best part. It doesn't draw from a traditional bank checking account. This solves a massive pain point. I mean, think about it. No more waiting 2 to 3 agonizing business days for a bank transfer to clear, just so you can buy new inventory, pay a software vendor, or, just grab a coffee using your online earnings. The money is just right there, ready to use. Now, comparing the choices, there are 2 main options out there, depending on your account type. If you've got the personal debit card, you can earn 5% category rewards, think gas or groceries, on up to $1,000 spent per month. But if you're rocking the business debit MasterCard, you'll earn unlimited 1% cash back on eligible purchases. So whether you're swiping for personal household expenses or operational business costs, there's a tailored cashback perk waiting for you. Moving right along to Section 2, before you apply, essential prerequisites. Okay, before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's talk prerequisites. You do need to meet a few strict requirements to be considered. You gotta be 18 or older and a U.S. citizen or legal resident. You'll also need an active PayPal balance account or a business account in good standing. On top of that, you must have a confirmed physical street address, plus a verified social security number and date of birth on file. If your account isn't verified yet, here's a quick pro tip. Just link an external bank account to your PayPal profile. That'll help clear that hurdle in no time. It's totally vital that you know exactly what to prep before you even think about clicking apply. So the really crucial point here is just how seriously the platform takes address verification, and that's entirely due to federal regulations. Standard P.O. boxes, those are strictly prohibited. You absolutely must verify a physical street address. You can actually do this by matching a linked credit card statement to your physical address, having a prior approved account that already verified your location, or just going through their standard location confirmation protocols, which might just mean securely uploading a utility bill. Super straightforward. Section 3, Ordering and Activation Steps, Securing Your Card. Applying is literally effortless. You just log into your account and head over to your dashboard or the accounts page. Select the PayPal debit card option and then choose Request a Physical Card. From there, you just fill in the prompted information to confirm your identity and address and hit Submit. It's just a seamless few clicks to get that card requested. Once you hit Submit, here's what the timeline looks like. On day 1, if you're approved, boom, you get an instant digital card. You can immediately add this to Apple Pay or Google Pay and just start spending right from your phone. Talk about instant gratification, right? Then, between days 5 and 7, your physical card undergoes mail processing. And usually, right around day 10, the actual physical card arrives in your mailbox. When that shiny physical plastic finally arrives, activating it is just as easy. You can go online to paypal.com/activatecard or just open up the mobile app, select your new card, enter the required expiration details, set up your own personal 4-digit PIN, and click Activate Card. If you're more of a phone person, no worries at all. There's a 24-hour automated phone line you can call at 1-800-314-8298 to walk you right through the activation steps. Section 4. Maximizing your card usage and limitations. Now, what's really interesting here is this specific limit, $400. That is your daily ATM withdrawal cap. While you can absolutely spend up to your total available PayPal balance on regular purchases, if you suddenly need physical cash from an ATM, you are capped at withdrawing $400 per day. It's a pretty important boundary to keep in the back of your mind when you're planning out your cash flow. Beyond ATMs, though, this card is incredibly versatile. You can use it for Apple, Google, or Samsung Pay. It literally works anywhere in the world that MasterCard is accepted. You can make ATM withdrawals globally, set it up for automatic or reoccurring bill payments, and of course use it for your everyday online checkouts.
Practically speaking, this means you can use contactless mobile pay to grab lunch on the go or seamlessly pay a recurring software vendor invoice directly from your sales balance without batting an eye.
We also need to talk about fees just so you have all the facts. There is a $0 monthly or minimum balance fee, which is awesome, and a $0 US purchase fee. However, if you're traveling or buying from overseas, there is a 2.5% foreign transaction fee. And if you use an out-of-network ATM, you'll be looking at a $2.50 fee plus whatever the ATM owner decides to charge. These are simply the operational realities to navigate when using the card.
Let's move to Section 5, Pro Tips and Troubleshooting, Navigating Common Issues. If you do run into any hurdles along the way, we've got some actionable tips for you. Denied application? Hey, don't sweat it. The rules state you can simply reapply after 30 days once you've sorted out any verification issues. What if your card goes dormant? Well, note that 13 months of total inactivity means they will not reissue it automatically, so you'll actually need to submit a brand new application. And if you happen to lose your card, you can instantly freeze and unfreeze it right inside the PayPal app to keep your account totally secure.
And here's a fantastic bonus expert tip specifically for small business owners out there. If you want to maximize your business operations, you can actually get up to 4 Mana cards for employee use. This is a real game changer because it allows you to empower your team to make purchases, entirely avoids the nightmare of expense reimbursements, and lets you track all company spending in one single place for vastly easier bookkeeping.
Before we wrap up, please keep in mind, this explainer is intended for informational purposes only. Please verify all details with PayPal directly, as terms and features are subject to change. But to leave you with a final thought, now that you know exactly how to bypass the dreaded bank transfer wait and unlock immediate purchasing power, what is the very first seamless purchase you're going to make once your card arrives? Let that sink in, keep learning, and we'll catch you on the next explainer.